Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily reveal hidden files and folders in Windows 11. First, open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, click on the three dots in the toolbar at the top. From the drop-down menu, select Options. This will open the Folder Options window. In the Folder Options window, switch to the View tab. Under the Advanced Settings section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Hidden Files and Folders. Select the option that says Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Then click Apply and OK to save your changes. Now, navigate to a folder where you know there are hidden files. Hidden items will appear slightly grayed out compared to regular files, making them easy to identify. Alternatively, you can enable hidden files directly from the File Explorer toolbar. Simply click on View in the toolbar, hover over Show, and check the option for hidden items. This method is faster if you need a quick toggle. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.